In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to get a Discover secured credit card. If you're looking to build or rebuild your credit, a secured credit card like the Discover Tutor secured credit card can be a great tool. Let's dive into the process and see how you can get started. First, you'll want to visit the official Discover website. This is where you can apply online for the Discover Tutor secured credit card. Exploring the website will give you a good overview of the card's features, including its benefits such as cashback rewards, which can be a great perk as you work on building your credit. Before diving into the application, it's a smart move to check if you're pre-approved. Discover offers a pre-approval check that won't affect your credit score. This step is helpful because it gives you an idea of your likelihood of approval without any risk to your credit. Once you're ready to proceed, you'll need to complete the application form. This involves providing your personal information, including your social security number, income details, current address, and bank details. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate to avoid any delays in the process. A unique aspect of secured credit cards is the security deposit. For the Discover It secured credit card, you'll need to provide a refundable security deposit, usually with a minimum of $200. This deposit becomes your credit limit, so it's important to think about how much you can afford to set aside. Remember, the deposit is refundable, which means it will be returned to you if you ever close the account or upgrade with responsible card use. After you've submitted your application, Discover will review your information. The process is usually quick, and you can expect a decision in a short amount of time. If approved, you'll receive your Discover It or secured credit card in the mail. Once your card arrives, you can start using it to make purchases. Be sure to use it responsibly to help build your credit. Paying off your balance in full each month and keeping your credit utilization low are key practice for maintaining good credit health. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to get a Discover secured credit card. With this card, you're on a solid path to building or rebuilding your credit, all while enjoying some nice perks along the way. Thanks for watching and good luck on your credit journey.